you'll learn how to connect to both Starlink and a tethered iPhone at the same time on your Windows PC. If you haven't already, power up your Starlink dish and make sure it's set up according to the manufacturer's instructions. This includes setting up your Starlink's Wi-Fi name and password with the Starlink app. Then, click on the Wi-Fi symbol in the lower right corner of the taskbar. If you're not already connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot, turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking on the tile, and then select the Wi-Fi hotspot associated with your Starlink connection and enter the password to connect. Personal Hotspot lets you share the cellular data connection of your iPhone with other devices via Wi-Fi, USB, or even Bluetooth. On your iPhone, go to Settings and then Personal Hotspot and make sure that the switch next to Allow Others to Join is on. From this screen, you can verify the name of the iPhone, which will be used when connecting over Wi-Fi, as well as configure the password of the hotspot. If you don't see the option for Personal Hotspot, contact your carrier to make sure that tethering data is included with your plan. First, be sure to install or update to the latest version of iTunes. It contains the drivers needed to enable USB tethering of iPhones. Then, connect your iPhone to your PC with a USB cable. If you see an alert on your iPhone that asks if you want to trust this computer, tap Yes, Trust. Then, make sure you can locate and view your iPhone in iTunes. If your Windows PC doesn't recognize your device, as silly as it may sound, try a different USB cable because they're not all created equally. Once you get that sorted out, your iPhone should automatically start sharing its connection to your PC. If you click on the network icon in the lower right corner of the taskbar, the iPhone should be listed at the top of the network list. Last but not least, if you haven't already, download and install Speedify from our site at speedify.com. Once running, Speedify will automatically detect all internet connections available to your device, including Wi-Fi, cellular, Ethernet, and satellite, and begin combining them for increased stability, speed, and security. If you want more control, Speedify also contains tools like priorities and rate limits to let you customize how and when your connections get used. Now, sometimes your available internet connections simply aren't fast or reliable enough for the task at hand, even when bonded together. What then? Well, Speedify has a powerful answer for that too. It's a feature called Pair and Share. With Pair and Share, you can easily share 4G and 5G cellular connections back and forth between multiple Speedify users on the same local network, securely, wirelessly, and automatically. The more people you pair with, the stronger and more resilient your internet becomes. And since it's part of Speedify's core architecture, it works cross-platform across all supported operating systems, including iOS, Android, Mac, Windows, and Linux, as well as OpenWRT and powered by Speedify routers. With Speedify, you're no longer limited to a single connection. You get extra speed, more bandwidth, and fewer interruptions for everything you do online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and subscribe for more internet tips and tricks.